Hello friends, now here we start new chapter number 12, 3-dimension geometry. Remember this here, three plane intersect perpendicular to each other, then space divide into four part. In upper plane and four part in a lower plane. So we get 8 part of a space and each part are said to be octane. In a first octane, X, Y and Z are positive. First octane is a O, X, Y, Z or X, O, Y, Z. So remember this here, in a first octane, X coordinate of a point, Y coordinate and the Z coordinate all are positive. And in the second octane, backside of a first octane, X dash O, Y, Z, X is negative, Y and Z both are positive. Similarly, in a third octane, X dash O, Y dash Z, X is negative, Y is negative and Z is a positive. And in a fourth octane, X, O, Y dash Z, X is positive, Y is negative and Z is a positive. Similarly, below this fourth octane, we get a new 4 more octane. So total number of octane, that is the total number of a part of a space, we get a 4 plus 4, that is a 8 space part. Now here we solve some question of exercise 12.1. First question, a point is on x-axis, what are its y coordinate? Here point lies on x-axis, so y coordinate and the z coordinate both are 0. Number 2, a point is in xz plane, x, y, z. Point lies in this xz plane, so about its y coordinate, we say that y coordinate is a 0. Now question number 3 given, name the octane in which the following point lies. First, 1, 2, 3. Here all coordinates of this point are positive, so this point lies in a first octane, x, o, y, z. Similarly, for 4, minus 2, 3, here y coordinate negative, x and z positive, so this point lies in a x dash o, y, z, that is in a second octane. Similarly, we discuss about for remaining points. Now question number 4, filling the blank, the x-axis and y-axis taken together determine a plane known as xy plane. Number 2, the coordinate of a point in xy plane are of the form, here point lies in xy plane, so coordinate of this point x, y, z coordinate 0. So this type of a form we get for given points of a xy plane. Number 3, coordinate the plane, divide the space into 8 parts. Now here we discuss about distance between 2 points, that is a distance formula. Remember this here, if we have 2 point A, x1, y1, z1 and the B, x2, y2, z2, then distance between A and B is AB is equal to, we know that, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. Clear? So remember this distance formula. Using this distance formula, we get distance between any 2 points lies in a space. Now exercise 12.2. Number 1. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Number 1, 2, 3, 5 and the second point 4, 3, 1. First denote both points by A x1 y1 z1. A x1 y1 z1 is equal to, suppose 2, 3, 5 and the second point by B x2 y2 z2. So B x2 y2 z2 is equal to, say, 4, 3, 1. So distance between A and B is equal to, we know that, x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square plus z1 minus z2 square. So is equal to root of here 2 minus 4 raised to 2 plus 3 minus 3 raised to 2 plus 5 minus 1 raised to 2. Now simplify this. Here 2 minus 4 become minus 2 square is equal to 4. 3 minus 3, 0 square is equal to 0 plus 5 minus 1, that is 4 square is equal to 16. So is equal to square root of 20 and 20 is equal to 4 into 5. Square root of 4 is a 2 root 5. So this will become distance between given 2 points 2, 3, 5 and 4, 3, 1. Applying sim, we get distance between minus 3, 7, 2 and 2, 4, minus 1. Similarly for remaining 2 questions, we are able to solve these 2. Now question number 2. Show that point minus 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 0, minus 1 are collinear. First denote all points by ABC. So let AB minus 2, 3, 5 B 1, 2, 3 and C 7, 0, minus 1. Here first we find the distance between A and B, that is AB. So AB is equal to root of minus 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 3 square is equal to root of, here becomes 3 square is a 9 plus 1 square is a 1 plus here 2 square is a 4 is equal to root of 14. Now find the BC. So BC is equal to root of 1 minus 7 square plus 2 minus 0 square plus 3 minus minus plus 1 square is equal to root of, here becomes 6 square is a 36 plus 2 square is a 4 plus 4 square is a 16 is equal to root of, here 40 plus 16 become 56 is equal to 14 into 4. Square root of 4 is a 2 root 14. Now find AC. So AC is equal to root of a minus 2 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 0 square plus 5 minus minus plus 1 square is equal to root of, here becomes 9 square is 81 plus 3 square is 9 plus 6 square is 36 is equal to root of, here 90 plus 36, that is 126. So is equal to 9 into 14. Square root of 9 is 3. Root of 14. Here we found that sum of these two is equal to third. That is root of 14 plus 2 root of 14 is equal to 3 root 14 here. Therefore, here root 14 is equal to AB, 2 root 14 is equal to BC, and 3 root 14 is equal to AC. So AB plus BC is equal to AC. So we say that A, B, C are collinear. Clear? Now question number 3rd. Verify the following: 0, 7, minus 10, 1, 6, minus 6, 4, 9, minus 6 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. In this case, first we denote all points by vertices of triangle ABC. Let A is 0, 7, minus 10, B 1, 6, minus 6, and C 4, 9, minus 6. Applying same method, first find AB, BC and AC and compare sides. If we found the two sides are same, then we say that this triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Same question number 2. Show that given vertices are vertices of a right angle triangle. In this case, first we find AB square, then find BC square, then AC square, and we found that sum of square of two sides is equal to square of a third sides. So we say that triangle ABC is a right triangle using Pythagoras theorem. Applying same in a third, show that -1, 2, 1, 1 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 7, 8, 2 minus 3, 4 are vertices of parallelogram. Here first find AB, then BC, CD and AD. Here we found that length of opposite sides AB and CD become same, and BC and AD become same. So we say that given points are vertices of parallelogram. Now question number 4. Find the equation of set of points which are equidistant from the point 1, 2, 3, 3 to -1. Important question. 2 points are given, A 4, 0, 0 and B -4, 0, 0. Find equation of set of points P, the sum of whose distance from A, B is equal to 10. First, suppose the coordinate of required points is x, y, z, or this point is a P, x, y, z. Let P, x, y, z is required points. Therefore, AP plus BP is equal to 10. Here given condition, sum of distance from given point to A and B is equal to 10. Now BP take this side, so we get AP is equal to 10 minus BP. Now apply square on both sides, so AP square is equal to 100 minus 20 BP plus BP square. Now apply distance formula for these two, AP square and BP square. AP square is equal to, we know that, x minus 4 square plus y minus 0 square, that is y square, plus z minus 0 square, that is z square, is equal to 100 minus 20 BP plus BP square is equal to x minus plus 4 square plus y minus 0 square, that is y square, plus z square. Here y square, z square from both sides cancel. Now split here x minus 4 square, so we get x square minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 100 minus 20 BP plus x square plus 8x plus 16. From both sides 16 cancel, x square also cancel. We get here minus 8x is equal to 100 minus 20 BP plus 8x. Now 20 BP take this side, 8x take this side. So here we get 20 BP is equal to 100 minus, here minus plus 8x plus 8x becomes 16x. Now dividing by 4 to both sides, here we get 5 BP is equal to 25 plus 4x. Now apply square on both sides, we get 25 BP square is equal to 25 plus 4x raised to 2. So 25 into BP square is equal to, we know that, BP square x minus plus 4 square plus y square plus z square is equal to, here 25 raised to 2, 625 plus 25 into 400 into 2, 200x plus 4x square, that is a 16x square. Now simplify this. Here x plus 4 raised to 2, split this, parallel to this 25 take inside, so we get 25x square plus here 8x into 25 becomes 200x plus 4 square is a 16, that is 4 into 4 into 25, so 25 into 400 into 4, 400 plus y square plus z square is equal to 625 plus 200x plus 16x square. Now simplify this. Here all term take this side, so 25x square minus 16x square becomes 9x square. Here 200x cancel plus y square plus z square, and 625 take this side, so minus 625 plus 400 is equal to become minus 225 is equal to 0. This becomes equation of required points. Clear? So is equation. Now in our next lecture we discuss about section formula and we solve some question of exercise 12.3 and miscellaneous exercise. Okay, bye.